Today we are back to Frankel Estate.
where we bring you another stunning detached home.
in a highly accessible and convenient location.
I'm Justin.
I'm Tina.
And I'm Rachel.
Welcome to another episode Charming House series of Hutton's Landed Division.
This house is meticulously designed with a sense of independence and privacy for multiple generations to live under one roof. Having its own separate living area, kitchen and entrance, this newly rebuilt detached has a land size of 6,545 square feet with wide frontage of 19 meters and a build-up of 5,000 square feet. The car porch boasts a comfortable space for 6 to 8 cars. Efficiently built that comes with 8+1 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Layout is flexible and can be redesigned into 6+1 with a huge master bedroom and a junior master.
This is especially important for landed owners or landed buyers because they have to know what are the house that we built in that particular land. So where we are now is actually situated on the landed zoning. It's a 2-story bungalow zone, which means we can build up to 2.5 stories. So there is so much of space that you can build on this land.
I absolutely agree. A bungalow zone in Frankel Estate is far more premium. You have exclusivity and you also have the population density is much lesser because you're not surrounded by semi-detached homes or inter-terraces, corner terraces. That way, you know, if your neighbor is having a gathering or something, you don't have to worry about the cars piling up in your corner.
To me personally, I love the courtyard. It's bringing so much natural wind and also bright and lit up to all the whole house.
I couldn't agree with you more. But that being said, I don't think we should shine the light away from the rooftop.
Oh, what about it?
Well, the rooftop is has such a stunning view that we can see Marina Bay Sands. I mean, you do remember we were called here for the New Year's Eve.
Yes, we
countdown.
are. We were here for the countdown, and we can see the fireworks. So beautiful, right? Yeah.
It's absolutely stunning.
This is a house we built about 6,005 square feet, and it has 8 bedrooms. I think it appeals and ideal for multi-generation families with a lot of kids. I can foresee, let's say, families staying here with the kids going around and all that. And not only that, it's also suitable for growing families. But although you maybe have less family members, but as time goes by, you will grow. Your family members will grow. So because the layout is so flexible that you can actually remodel it to your taste.
You're right about that. Did you know that we are surrounded by such good schools?
Mm-hmm.
There are 2 good schools,
Yep.
St. Stephen's and Opera Estate
That's within 1 click.
kilometer.
Okay.
And also there's Taunan, CHIJ Katong, and Nian within 1 to 2 kilometers. So I think, everybody, even buyers with not very big family profiles, will appreciate the space because, kids have their growing needs.
Yes.
You can utilize the house. It might be very big, but you can use it to create so many different spaces.
Absolutely.
And use it for different occasions and, different things. That being said, families with elderly will also appreciate the house.
Yes.
Because it comes with a lift and,
Yep.
and that would help them, in
Yep.
accessibility.
Yep.
Nothing to worry about people
That's
with
right.
mobility issues.
Yeah.
Staying along the main road allows one to have accessibility. Sometimes bungalow zones are in quiet roads which are quite deep inside. And let's say someone's having a get-together or that road is crowded or maybe even there's sometimes, there's a dump truck along the way, and then you get stuck behind that waiting for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, you must note that this is a one-way road, so we don't have to worry about too much traffic or a lot of noise.
And last factor that I can think of is actually a very attractive PSF. Because actually houses like that, usually the seller would be more realistic on selling the house. So with this PSF, I would think this house actually really, you need to grab it. Actually, in terms of the new houses here, let's talk about the supply. There are not many. When you look around the market now, the supply of brand new, there are not many. Versus if let's say you talk about resale detached, yes they are, but you need to put in a lot of effort, a lot of construction costs in order to build it up the house, or even to enhance the whole house into a very nice house or your own house. Let's come into a little bit on the statistics because we have into this market for many years, and we always do a market analysis for all our clients. So for the PSF in Detached in District 14 has actually increased 61% from 875 PSF into 1410 PSF. This is actually as a span of about 3 years, because I'm actually taking off from the COVID time, 2020 to 2023.
Wow, that's a lot.
Exactly. So I think we are seeing more demand, like people are looking for bigger land or detached to stay, right? Versus, let's say, the average PSF for landed houses in D15 has also increased by 22% from 1428 PSF to 1742 PSF. This is really make this actually a house very sought after. And another factor that make this sought after detached is because this is a newly rebuilt 3 years old detached house. You don't have to go through the hassle to rebuild and construct, right?
I agree.
First of all, the construction costs have increased so much. And secondly, you must have time to come in and supervise, right?
I think,
to go through the process.
Yeah. Also with time, it takes a lot of effort, knowledge,
Yep.
and you don't know and you don't realize when you're going in to rebuild what are the hidden costs
That's
that
right.
you need to expect, which
That's right.
sometimes crop up as and when you build.
So that's why here we are. We have now this very charming, stunning, detached in a Frankel estate we want to showcase to you today.
So come and take a look.
Contact any one of us, Rachel, Tina, and Justin, to arrange for your exclusive viewing.